All right, you're here with Bob and Mark. We're out here at Cleveland Lake trying to catch some fish. It's a overcast day. We done got rained on. Wasn't too bad, not at first, and then right at the end of the storm, it kind of let go on us a little bit. But we're still out here trying to fight through it, catch some more fish. So far, my kids got a skunk with 2 perch, and Marcus has lost one, and I lost one. What's that? Sound like shattering glass. You can't like throw that and try to stick it in the rocks.
I did it. I kicked it.
No. But anyways, it's still a pretty day out here, and we're still gonna charge on and try to catch something big for you guys. Man, I wish I got that fish earlier, man. That felt like a good fish. I should have let him take it. I forgot I had that True Turn hook on. Now they're up in here chasing stuff right here by the tree again.
What a good time.
It's still thundering in the background. You know, you guys need to comment on our videos and let us know what y'all think, and comment below if you guys want to see us do a $25 Walmart challenge. You know, basically both of us have $25 a piece. We'll go into Walmart and we'll get everything we need. That's $25 to catch fish, and we'll do the challenge, but using nothing but what we buy in the store. And if y'all like to see that, just comment below, let us know. Nice eater though. Hooked him right in the corner of the mouth, like it was supposed to.
Very nice. Very nice. First one of the night.
Yep. Hopefully we'll have some more. Come on, man. I'm just trying to get some of this off you without getting finned. Oh, stupid. Stop it. Are you done yet?
Nice release.
He released himself. He's a fighter. Going over here, son.
Should we turn off the lights?
What?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Biggest one of the night, son.
Here's lucky I hook on.
You go look at. He's gone. I ain't hit like a mad dog. What is this? Proline. Rope. It must be a ski rope. Type thing. There you go. Get around the tree. Come this way. There you go. He's not bad. Not bad at all. Damn. There's just on the bottom.
Good fish.
Whatever it was, I just moved it.
Be back for pizza in 15.
Yep, not a bad one.
It's just a bunch of crock.
They're trying to sell sodas.
Well.
Explaining
Oh,
something.
it's a big one that I caught.
Been watching these reports since morning. I have seen 12 soda commercials so far. 12!
Yep.
Do you have any books and extraterrestrial?
Ow.
All right, bud. Back up a little. Hold him down some. Hold him out. All right. All right, go release him.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I didn't even move.
Good job, bud.
I thought I had him more in the water.
Let him get it free. There you go. About the same size as last one. All right. Pick him up here. They're a little bigger than last one.
Ah. He hit hard too.
No, I know. See, don't cat always do.
Oh.
That sounds like a spooky catfish.
Got him hooked good too.
Ew.
He wanted to get the release. Like a little shark. He's like in the tree. Look at him. Trying to get in it. There he goes.
Dad, look at the stuff I left on the hand.
Good job.
Well, I'm Bob. This is Mark. And we are out of here. We'll see you guys next time.
You fucked up because your kid's in the video.
Oh. That's right. It's been real. This is Bob, Jesse, and Mark. And we will see you guys next time.